Hello everyone, welcome to part 226 of Advanced E-commerce Series in Laravel 8. So we will continue working on the orders export functionality that we have done in last video. See from by going in orders module, and here from here we can able to export the orders, all the orders, and here we can check. Okay, so we able to export all the order details. See here. Okay, so but these details order products are missing here, so we want to join another table here to show the order product details. See, we are getting the details from the orders table only, but we also require order products. Okay, we also require that which order having which products, like this is the 75th order id, and 75th order id uh, is having one product. We can see it is having BT01, a product code with product name, this one. So like some of the products are having maybe having two of the products as well. So we want to show that in our orders export. Okay, so the client required more information of the orders. Okay, for reporting, for fetching the details. Okay, so here after this one we can add more columns, like product codes, product names. Okay, like this, in which we are going to show all the SKU and codes, SKU, prices, stock, everything we can show here. Okay, so let's continue updating. We are going to update our collection function that we have created in last video. Order export file we have created in that collection function. See, this is the simple query we have done. Now we can add the for each loop to this query, so that we can get details from another table as well. Okay, so we are going to add the for each loop here. So here first of all, see, before for each loop we also require, inside this one, we will take this one orders data here as dollar item, dollar key, dollar value. That's fine. Okay, after this one we require to fetch the details from the orders product. Okay, okay, first of all I'm going to show you what's coming here in id. We want the uh, id of the order. Okay, like this. I'm going to check it like this. Okay, we are going to debug whatever we are doing, only then we will move forward. So let's see. If I will click on export orders, here you can see we get all the orders IDs. Okay, so that is fine. So with this order ID we can fetch other details. We can fetch the products of the orders. Okay, and we will fetch from the another model. That model is orders product model. Okay, orders product. Okay, so we are going to fetch details from this model, and here we will write like order items, ordered items, or ordered products. Okay, we can write like order items, and this orders product, and we are going to select just two columns right now: product code and where order id, this dollar value, this id that is coming here. Okay, so we will use here get. Okay, so we are going to debug this one first of all. Okay, So we are going to do here like this: JSON decode, JSON encode, and in this dollar order items, we are going to debug our code as well. So I am going to this one. Now I'm going to check once again. See, we have got the first ID, 95th ID. Okay. uh, so I have got the 95 here, and BT01 for the order ID 75th. First row we able to display the first row. Okay, so both are coming fine. Now uh, we are required to add the another for each loop. Okay, so first of all we are going to do one thing. For the product codes, we will create one variable, product codes empty variable here, like this, and another for each loop here, and that is so that we can display all the product codes of this order. Okay, order items as dollar key is not required here. We can simply give like this. Here instead of dollar value we will write item. Okay, as dollar item. Now here what we are going to do, we will write here dollar product underscore code. Okay, do like this. Now dollar item, and in dollar item our product code will come, product code. Okay, and we will also add the comma here like this. So and also we are going to add this product code in our dollar orders data array. Okay, for this we need to do dollar key here, add dollar key. In that we are going to add the product code. Okay, so in that we are going to fill up these product codes. Okay, so we are going to check once. uh, yeah so we are going to debug now this one. Okay, okay, and also let's see, refresh. See here the details are coming here, and you can see we able to add one more column here, product underscore code. Okay, and see this one is added at the first one. Okay, so we require this column with every order detail so that we can add the one further column, product underscore code, in which we can show the order products. Okay, so like this we can able to add further column here. We can also make it like product codes. Okay, we can do it like this, product codes. Okay, so we'll comment this one, and now see one more column we are going to add here, product code. And now we are going to refresh. I'm going back, refresh, export orders, and I think some die is left here. Here you can move this die as well. Go back, refresh, export orders, and here we able to export. Here you can see we able to get the product codes in last column. And if we have if the customer have purchased the two items, then we able to display both the items here. Okay, otherwise only one item will get displayed. Like this we able to export the products as well, ordered products from the customer, okay, that the customer purchased. We can show more information here, like we can show here uh, product name as well, product color, product size, product price. These are the main columns. So here we can add further, like product name, product color, product size, and product price, how much order the customer done, product quantity. Okay, so all we will give it like this for all. Okay, like for first product codes, then product names, then product colors, and product sizes, product prices, and product quantities. Okay, so same we are going to do it here. Product names, product colors, product size, product price, and product quantities. So here we are going to add first product name column, then product color, sorry what is coming, product color here, product size, so we can pick from anywhere, product price, here product quantity, but also we are getting from here product code, product name, product color, product size, product price. Okay, fine. Okay, so here also we require to add this column here as well, product names, product colors, sorry, product sizes, product prices, and product quantities. Okay, so we are also required to display here names, product colors, product sizes, product prices, and the last one, product quantities. That is done. Now we can check the export functionality once again. Click on export orders. We able to export successfully, and see here now we able to fetch all the order products details. Okay, you can see product codes, product names, product colors, product sizes, product prices, and product quantities. And you can check that the order that is having the two items, we able to display those with comma. Okay, and comma is there with every product. You can also remove it if you want. Okay, so see this one seem to be fine, like the products that the orders that is having the multiple items, we are showing the multiple attributes as well. All these are attributes. Okay, so we able to show all the attributes, all the products of the ordered items, okay, of the orders. So you can try this at your end, and if you will face any issue you can surely ask me. Okay, so that's all for now in this video, and stay tuned for another video. Still many things to go, many new features, many things we are going to add on in this e-commerce series. So please stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.